Okay for my Daluma team, gaya ng sinabi ko, gusto na nakuha namin yung schedule is lagi talaga akong updated. So, para hindi po kayo ma-relax, this coming, sabi ko nga sa first video was, may klase po online. So, aantayin nyo po yung materyales, no? So, we need to have our proof na we have GMeet. After that, I have the instruction, syempre, blah, blah, blah. Aside from mga video instruction ko na mapapanood natin sa GMeet, is the screenshot na manggagaling mismo sa president or sa inyo manggagaling si Sensa GC, and that will be our proof na nagtrabaho tayo. Again, for the Luma team, short blah, 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 no, about for our subject. Wala po munang reporting. Ako po yan and activities. Para lang mabalanse natin, alam nyo naman, yung introduction of yourself at yung prelim exam, dadalawa, it's not enough. So, gagawa pa tayo ng isa to balance the prelim period. That was the end of our prelim period. Yan pong araw na yan. So, may gagawin po tayo dyan. Pandagdag investment. Thank you so much. Pakisabi ha, dun sa mga hindi nag-aabala. Lalo na dun sa team na merong kaklase na pala absent. Oo. Yun lang.